Oh, I think it's working, right? Okay, yeah, I don't want to hear myself. Alright. Um, yeah, this is just like a back testing. Uh, yeah, we'll call it a journal, because I don't really fucking care if anyone watches it. I could give a fuck less. I mean, I'm not even fucking, I mean, there's gonna be no one in the stream. I have, like, no subscribers and shit like that, so I don't really care, but, this is just gonna be, like, something for me. I feel like I'm still gonna be journaling in this the whole time, so it's gonna take a while, but I kind of want to see, what I'm doing in trades, like see the actual videos because I feel like these are kind of unclear sometimes. So, I'll go back to certain parts of the videos or rewatch them, so I can review the types of trades I am taking, shit like that. Um, this is the most recent trade. What was this, a 30 second? Was there 5 minute, 4 minute, 3 minute? No, there's only a 30 second. Yeah. No, it's not a bad. It's not a bad. I don't really like that entry though. Should have been like here, even though that gives like the most terrible R. Oh, I think I set a limit. Oh, I remember this. Yeah, I set a limit order. Yeah. I don't even know if I didn't journal any of these, so I'm not going to. But this one's 8 and 4, 7 break evens. It's not really 8 and 4. It's more like 6 and 4. I like this month a lot. I mean, like, yeah, there's some $150 days. So, like, yeah, like I said, only really like 5 and 4, I guess. But I like this a lot because normally when I am back testing like months, like I can never keep it down to a minimum of 2 L's, and like this was like a 2 L month. Like I feel like there's always like a part where it's like 1, 2, 3, and it like gets really fucking annoying. So I'm really gonna try to just really lock down in on time alignment. Yeah, so I wanna have some shit in my head for this, right? Like I was reviewing this. Um, Main things I want to be making sure I'm doing is taking fair value inversion fair value gaps that are actually good, aligning time very well, not entering at 9:59 so I get manipulated by 10 a.m. open. So time alignment, good fair value gaps that are smooth closures, not taking 5 to fucking 20 minutes. Not taking a lot of 5 minute gaps, not taking too big of inversion legs. Really just aligning time and price, good draws, right side of market profiles, and yeah, let's get this fucking model down. So with that being said, I'll just jump straight into it then. Um, yeah. Just give me 1 second. Oh, it's kind of annoying though, because then I can't listen to music. Did it just end? Huh. No. I'm so lost if it's working or not. Oh, privacy. Private. Edit. I mean, I can leave it private low key, but you know what? I'm gonna leave it private. This is for me. It's not really for anyone else. Okay. Alright. So, let's see. I mean, if it's private, does that mean I can include music then? Like, I'll still be able to rewatch it? Oh my god. Because I need fucking music in my eardrums, bro. Personally, I like music. I have ADHD and whatnot. Alright, marking out this daily because I'm pretty sure we're at all-time highs. I mean, it's 20,000, 2024, it has to be all-time highs. Oh, shit. Yeah, I knew we were at all-time highs. Daily right there. Go to the 4-hour. I like these 4-hour intermediate lows as a condition. I like this low right here. It kind of looks like a fucking CPI. Where are we? Yeah, it's some sort of 830 data low. Kind of had that come. Knew that was there. Yeah, I like this 4-hour gap. Daily 4-hour. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, data low. 15. It's not really a gap, so I kind of needed to sweep something. 930. We're opening higher. That's fucking corny. Ooh, yes, that's nice actually. No, 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 no. I didn't really notice that SMT, but like I also like really don't like that. Kind of prefer that. That's not even a sweep. It's literally equal lows. Do not like you're taking out all-time highs. That is shit. That is actually shit. Come back down. I don't want to take sells. I mean, we're offering 10 a.m. open. Yeah, I mean, this is like quite literally a fucking, yeah, I mean, no, you don't even get a good fucking candle closure. You get like one of the most atrocious candle closures, unless you take the 30-second, but this is literally just a open high, close low, right? We're gonna, like, it's all-time highs. Like, you don't want to be shorting it. Like, that's stupid. You get a delivery down to, I'm assuming, an unfilled 5-minute. Yeah, it was like more of like a mech. I fucking hate mechs, so not really bothering me. 1040. Wow, that's actually so unfortunate because like the conditions were actually really nice and we just get the most awful price action of all time. So, won't be taking a trade that day. I wanted to see us come lower, get an open low, high close for an inversion for data highs and all-time highs. That's just the right idea. You know, you want to remain bullish. We're so fucking bullish. There's no reason to be taking sells there. We're quite literally as bullish as we can get. There's nothing inversing on the higher time frames. Why would you be taking shorts there? So, waiting for my condition. Condition did not get met. Draws kept getting taken. Really choppy. Price went after 11. Nothing to take. That simple. Okay. Daily 4-hour. Was it the 4-hour? No, that was the hour. Have this hourly gap. It's not like really the best condition if I'm being honest. It's really not. I get a 930 open lower. No, I'm just not allowed to. Okay. I'm sorry. Oh my god. See, this was actually like not the worst trade. We had this nice 1-hour gap. We had a 930 open lower. A nice 30-second inversion right here, but we have the most diabolical closure of all time. I literally just wanted something like this, and then I would have took like this. Probably targeted like a 1.5, break even at those highs, and we would have got break even. I mean, that's with the hypothetical, I mean, I probably would have just targeted the all-time highs, probably like squeezed it like something like this, but, that's if we got the hypothetical 30-second closure, which we didn't. I didn't really like that 1-hour gap condition. We're kind of getting now, it's too early into 930, so now it's telling us that we're going lower for this 930 candle. I want to play, ooh, what are we reacting off of? I don't know. I don't really care. I'm kind of just gonna wait. Oh fuck. I don't really care about the gap actually. News, none. Hour 15. You're just like not aligned. That's good. Like, what the fuck are you guys doing? Okay, wait. This is 10 a.m. right here, right? We have 10 a.m. open right here. Um, hmm. I want to see all this fucking LRR get swept out, bro. And then we're tapping into this Peter. Yeah, this would be nice if we can get it. It's actually so unfortunate. 10:30 opened, went lower, just sweeped out some of this shit. Still left all this like all these like this huge accumulation zone. It left fucking London lows. You're like not even fucking close. You're an idiot. I'm not gonna lie. Like you're actually like the most atrocious pair to trade side and side with. Yeah, no trade. Nothing good there. I'm looking for really simple shit here. Like I really know what I'm looking for right now, so when I get it, I get it. But like I really feel like I know what I'm looking for right now, so that's good. It's helping that I'm like talking to myself and shit too, and then I'll be able to watch this back and like see what I did wrong. Unfortunately this gap is getting touched into. Like we swept it like pre-market, so it's kind of annoying. Might just get a reaction from it, yeah. Darn. I don't want to short all-time highs. I'm good. What's our news? We have 10 a.m. Powell. Okay, 10 a.m. right here. Come on, let's get an open. Yeah, nothing. Okay, yeah, I just want to sweep this accumulation zone. I'm not really asking for a lot. Come on, Powell. Send us lower. Come on. Look at all these equal. Come on. There we go. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. 10:30 is opening now. So now I need to see you kind of manipulating to something lower. Right here, 0 open. I don't want to confuse myself in this and this. I just care about that. 15 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. We opened, went lower into these 15-minute intermediate lows. We're rejecting off of it right here. This is actually good. We have a 2-minute probably, no? Huh. That's interesting. Alright, yeah, I'm just waiting for this to get inversed then. If that gets inversed, like right now, yeah, no, that's nice. I actually like this. This is actually good. Took about 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, that's like not a lot. That's pretty good. Go for the low-hanging fruit, 1.2. It's not too much. Go break even there. And we should just see this flush. Darn. I mean, I could have gone for 1-to-1, I guess, but I didn't think that was really a bad trade. That was pretty solid break even. Looks like it tapped into C, the 5-minute probably. Yep, sadly it did. I'm just not like, I mean, I guess it's a cool 5-minute condition, but no, not really. It's nothing like really. We have this 5-minute gap. It takes 25 minutes to inverse it. I mean, I'm just not taking shorts here. I mean, yeah, no, I'm not taking shorts. We have 11 a.m. opening right here. We would want it to see it at least. Bro, why can't I like see this? I want to see like it at least sweep out these lows. We have a 3-minute. See? It's like this is bad right here. We took fucking 20 minutes to inverse one 3-minute gap. Look at that. That's how you avoid a bad trade like that. That's perfect right there. That's very good. Do I want to journal this? I don't know. Yeah, I'll journal it. I'm just bringing this shit back so I don't get confused. There we go. So we also had this. I wasn't even thinking about this. I was more worried about the 1-hour PO3, but this is good too, so I'll include it. I'll put all-time highs here so we know that. probably could have trailed there, unfortunately. Um, Bro. Alright, whatever. We're leaving as fucking that. I just don't care. Like, wait, what? Was this the last trade, or am I like tripping right now? Was there not a fucking? No, I'm tripping, right? Was I looking at the 1 minute? No. What the fuck did I look? Was there not an intermediate low? I swear there was a low inside of this 5 minute. Oh, right here. I'm an idiot. Right here. I'm so fucking slow. Get rid of this to confuse us. 15-minute intermediate low. So, right here. Um, I think looking back, um, should have been more considerate of this 5 minute gap. I should have really, I don't really know what the idea, like, I don't know, like, I feel like, regardless, like, yeah, like, I could have gone something like, maybe using this order block to protect us, bring the stop loss, like, here, like, at this wick, right? And go for something like this, maybe, like, 1-to-1, or, like, touch the order block for 1.2, but no, you're not going to do that. You'd probably go for, like, something like that, bring it up for, like, a 1-to-1. But I think what's wrong with this trade, in my opinion, is like we get to the top of this 5 minute gap and I wasn't even considering going break even. Like I kind of waited for us to come. I want to say it was like down here, and then once we broke this high and we started getting some displacement, that's when I went break even. But like right when we start to get into this 5 minute gap, like there's a high chance like we can just start fucking on me. And like the fact that I don't really have a set break even, like I feel like this is like a fine break even. Like I should have gotten break even earlier in the trade. Like it really shouldn't have even gotten the chance to even get up this high. Like there was so much. Like it should have went here and then like I would have got wicked out there. Like obviously like I don't want a break even, but like the idea that I had behind the trade and like not really protecting myself, I didn't really like that. So like I feel like the break even's deserved, if that makes sense. Like I kind of was just like, oh, I'm really confident in this, so like I'm just not really gonna have a break even point. Like I waited for internal high to get made and then went break even instead of going break even at the original internal high. Daily. We have a daily SMT. I don't really fucking like that. Kind of want to stay bullish. We are just fucking ripping all-time highs. Like, what even is my condition here, bro? Like, this 4-hour gap, I guess, bro. Let's see what 930 does. We have this nice accumulation zone. Oh my god, that's just not what I want to do. Wait, can't you just turn this on? Does this work? Oh, that's so fucking cool. I don't have to hit fucking control. Oh shit, look at that. You learn something new every day. Huh. It's a big ass leg to inverse. Alright. Low key. Mm, bro. Like, what am I supposed to, like, take right here, bro? Like, this, like, I can't, bro. It's fucking shit. And then just target fucking thin air for 1-to-1, bro. Like, nice, bro. Like, it's fucking stupid. Where's 10 a.m. open? 10 a.m. open was here. We manipulated. Okay. We took out all-time highs, so you could say that's a significant liquidity pool. That could be like the open high. What are blue candles again? Are my blue candles bearish? Here's our 10 a.m. open. I want to see us come below here. Like, I don't want to be taking buys. Okay. Here we go. This could be good. 10:30's opening. Come on, just come lower, bro. Come on. Yes! Nice. Oh, but now it's fucking 11. London lows. I'm going break even there just because I don't like what's at my stops. Okay, nice. Okay, like, I have such mixed feelings about that trade, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Like, it hit, but, like, the issue I see with that trade, okay, the 10 a.m., like, the whole reason I took it was this 10 a.m. open low, close high. Like, the 4-hour candle. Like, the 4-hour candle is the strongest, and look at this reaction we're getting off this 4-hour gap, right? Ideally, I wanted to see us come down to London lows, right? Because, like, I feel like that was good. Because, like, what you want to be doing is you kind of want to be, like, narrowing in the time frames, right? Like, we get this 1-hour gap, and then is there, like, a 15-minute or a 5-minute? There's no 15 minutes. There's no, like, 5 minutes, right? And we just, like, took these lows, and then we had these down here, and sure enough, they're London lows. So I kind of wanted to see them come down here. And then I saw this 2-minute, right? And I was like, ooh, this is really nice. Like low-key, this was the better trade right here. This was the better trade. Putting the stops at the bodies right here, and then just targeting this internal high. Easy ass, quick ass trade. Not really a break even. Your break even is kind of your TP. There's no real like internal highs to like go break even at. You kind of just target this for 1.8. It just rips. And like the reason I had such mixed feelings was like I wanted to see us come lower, but I kind of just played like the higher time frame inversion because like we had this 2-minute and like I noticed this was a 5-minute. Once we had this, like it took about 1, 2, 3. It took about 20 minutes to inverse this, so like it's pretty bad, but like the displacement past it was also really nice. Like I didn't mind the displacement at all. Like the displacement was really nice. Like it wasn't like some shitty ass 5-minute gap close. It was this close. And then I kind of just went for this low-hanging fruit. And this was the other reason I like this. Like, I went to the 5-minute, 4-minute, 3-minute, 2-minute. What am I noticing? There's like no fair value gap stopping us, bro. Like nothing. Like there's nothing to really reject off of. So I didn't really have a break. Like once I got here, I just went break even just to be safe because this is like a 1-minute intermediate high. Like it's not really gonna have a lot of rejection. It's a 1-minute intermediate high, but it was just an internal high, so I wanted to go break even just because of like I didn't really like how like we're generating like this low resistance liquidity on my stops. So kind of why I went right here, because if we're going to go here, we're going to fucking take out all these, hopefully. So I went break even quick, because I wasn't really a big fan of that, and the fact that we didn't take London lows. So I just wanted to see London lows take. I didn't like this LRR right here. Went for the low-hanging fruit. Obviously, all my draws are, like, up here, fucking there, but I'm not targeting that, so. Yeah, and we just chop around after. Like, look at this. Am I sitting through that? Fuck no. Granted, yeah, it hits for fucking 3R, but bro, I'm trading at 11:20, bro. I normally want to be off the charts like I said to myself I trade 11:30 max, so like right here TP hits at 11:30. I mean, obviously if I place a trade before then, like yeah, like I'm obviously gonna have to sit in it, but I mean this is a clear like market make or buy model, but it's very like no one's holding through that, bro. I like no, people are holding through it. I'm not holding through it. But yeah. I don't even think that was it. I think it was like a 1.2. Hmm. Was it? I don't know. 640. What is 640? 750 is 150, so it's probably like a 1.3, something like that. You know, something like this. Oh. I promise I don't fucking go back and fucking change my results with this shit, bro. If you fucking think that, I mean the fucking live stream's private, bro. I don't even know who I'm talking to, bro. I'm talking to my fucking self. Oh my god, bro. I'm not gonna mark it out like that. I'm literally just gonna go, right? Okay. I'm gonna drag it out so like I can see the trade, and then 4 hour 10 a.m. open PO3. Okay. Why am I putting a 0? It doesn't matter. Um. Oh my god. I'm not gonna include that. I'm just gonna. Oh, I see here now. So it was like this. I think I went break even like relatively early just because I didn't like. That was a really nice, smooth flow. Oh shit, let me do the 5 minute. Okay, nice. Bruh. Didn't like the London lows sitting right below 4 hour gap, but I did like the relative speed on the 5 minute. It wasn't instant closure, but pretty displacing. Went quick. Preserve capital, and I really liked 4 hour PO3 tapping that 4 hour gap for distributing higher. Yeah, so I like that. Okay. Where we at? Here. Jeez, bro. Let me just keep going fucking higher. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. That is a lot of fucking shit. Nothing that affects my trading, though. Alright, bro. I don't even know why I'm using this, bro. Just use the horizontal ray. I don't know. I don't know why I do that. Could have a really nice PO3 right here. Oh, look at these clear ass look at this clear ass accumulation zone. Look at this. 930. Oh, why the fuck am I making that noise? Sorry. Oh, I'm torn right now. That was really nice, but is there an SMT? That's a real question. No. Wait. Wait, there is an SMT? Why do these like look so off? Right here. Oh my gosh, there is an SMT. This entry is fucking horrendous, though. I literally just want something as simple as that. Alright, I'll hold for a 1-to-1. I'm just gonna go for a 1-to-1 and go break even at these highs. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Absolutely fucked on. Fuck me. 10 a.m. opens. Oh, wait, why did I get rid of that? I gotta leave that there. See, should have just fucking stayed patient. I'm gonna write that in the journal. Just should have just stayed patient. If it's a shit entry, just don't enter it. Blessing disguise, bruh. We have this 4-hour opening now. Now we can sweep out this 4-hour intermediate low. We have these data highs to target. We have this 1-hour opening now. 15-minute gaps, 5 minutes. Get more precise. We have this low right here that's already been swept. So I'm just looking for some sort of 15-minute gap then. Maybe like this. Honestly, anything works sweeping these lows. There we go. I want to see a good reaction. I don't think we're going to get it though. Low key. Yeah, no, this is a selling day, I guess. Huh, I just read that wrong then. I thought that was really nice then. It's just, it's going to happen sometimes, you know, you're going to remain bullish because it's fucking all-time highs, and then it's just going to be a selling day and you're going to get fucked on. Unless we're going to this 4-hour gap right here. But, I don't know, I don't really see a reason to, like, I mean, I'm not going to take longs here, but, yeah, it's past. I mean, yeah, I think the thing I'm going to take away from this, so I'm going to go back, go here. No, 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 no. Wait, that didn't do what I hope it didn't do. Hold on. Okay, I still have the L. That's good. Okay. I think what we're going to learn from this, right? Okay. 2-minute. I guess we'll do the 2-minute, but I was really entering off that whole leg just being raped by the fucking. No, I'm not fucking doing that. That's not what I fucking entered off of. I entered off of. Where the fuck even was my entry? It was something like this. I kind of look at it like this. Like, I look at the fair value gaps kind of like this. Like, I know it's so stupid because that's not how they're taught, but like. Whatever, I guess this is the fair value gap. It's a 2-minute right here, but. Whatever. Kind of just looking at it as. Huh. Wait, was that not even where I got in? Was No, that wasn't even where I got in. Oh my god. Wait, this is actually like so much worse than I thought. I'm like such an idiot because if that was where I got in, I would have won. This is where I got and I was targeting a 1-to-1 like this. Yo, you know it's bad when you fucking go and look at the trade and like you start laughing because of like what the fuck did you just like rush into? Like, oh my god, bro. Low key, I'm literally just gonna put in the journal, go watch this. Like, literally, that's what I'm gonna put. Like, go rewatch this, please. Go rewatch this, please. Like, this is why I'm doing. Like, I don't want to write why. Like, I guess I should write why I lost that, but like, bro, like, just you need to like look at this in like real time and just like be looking at this. Like, look how late your entry is. Your internal high for easy break evens is 2 ticks away. I don't care about a PO3. Your entry still needs to align. Just be more patient. Wait for 10 a.m. PO3 because that one will come too. And you would have seen a bearish day at all-time highs. Incorrect read. Rewatch live. Backtesting journal. Wow, that L, like, oh, that L annoys me, bro. Cause that's like the shit that's like agitating me, bro. It's like tiny, like, bro, you don't want to get emotional and shit, obviously, bro. Like, I'm not fucking like crashing out, but like, bro, like, I'm trying to raise this win rate, right? Like, I'm trying to make this better, and I'm over here taking a trade that I know is stupid. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't do that, bro. You can't take a trade that's idiotic, bro. Like, come on, dude. Or, like, set the automatic break even at the internal high. That's fucking 2 ticks away. Like, bruh. Jeez. Yikes. Okay. Alright, cool. Go next day. Okay. Okay. Kind of filling past this daily gap. We're tapping into this low and this PD array. Huh. I don't know. This is hard to say. You want to remain bullish at all-time highs, but like, I feel like on MES these draws are really obvious. Like, are we gonna edge those on the 4-hour? Wait, is it like an SMT? It is an SMT. SMTs, like, these are so weird to me because it's like, why are they so off? Like, why are they so far from each other? Huh. Like, we're all the way down here on MES. I mean, MNQ. Huh. We have daily rejecting that. We have 4-hour. I don't know. I kind of like the idea of shorts better. I like this accumulation zone. I mean, like, and like this is gonna be like a market maker buy model for a little bit. Like this curve until we complete it. Like right there. And then I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. Oh, we have the 10 a.m. right here. 10 a.m. Something more specific I can like tone into. I like this 5-minute. Let's see if we get CE of it. Something important. There's CE. I want to see a good reaction. I like that reaction. And lucky for me, there's no fucking fair value gaps. Like, what the fuck? What the fuck is this? Bruh. Bruh. Okay. Hmm. 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 Kinda looking bullish. Kinda looking like we should switch our bias here. Kinda looking like this 10 a.m. opened lower into a 15-minute gap, and this was our entry, and we read it incorrect, and it's 11 a.m. And what does that mean? Bro, we're just in this huge imbalance. I mean, we can look to target like CE of it. But like, bro, like all the moves have happened for today, I feel like. And at this point, it's like you're just getting desperate for a trade. 11 opens lower into a 15-minute gap. Oh, we'll wait for 11:30. 11:30. Oh, once again. Ooh, 12 opens into this this right here. With this huge fucking leg to inverse. Yeah, I don't know why I'm still looking at it. I wouldn't be trading at this time. Like, I gotta stop doing that. I gotta stop, like, looking, like, to see what I could possibly take when, like, it's over. Alright, we're delivering from this sell side. Daily liquidity, daily imbalance. We inversed, pretty much inversing this right here. We're respecting these bullish gaps. We have clear draws right here. We're inside of this hour gap. We respected this hour gap once. Leaning very bullish. Kind of just looking to see if we can get PO3 right here. I don't want to see it at 9:30. I kind of like the 10 a.m. open so much better. This is like oh, but we didn't sweep these. I kind of want to see all of this get swept right here. Ooh, ooh, this has some potential. This is, ooh, wait, this is kind of saucy. Go for a 30-second right here. Ooh, wait, this is kind of, I kind of like this. Kind of like a piece of the pie type thing. Can you stop? Wait, I gotta turn this stupid shit off. Right here, you go for a little, wait. We're doing this 1 minute inverse. We can go quick break even. Target this for 1-to-1. Wait. I gotta like watch it on the second chart so I can go break even at the right fucking time. I wanna go break even right here. Okay. Cause I just I don't like nice. That's banging. I don't like 30 seconds. Like it's just not my type. That was really nice. I think that was very nice actually. Look at that fucking entry. I mean, look at that exit right here, bro. What was I targeting again? Oh, the top of the 2 minute. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Look at that quick break even. Went on the fucking 1 second chart. Come on now. Stop playing with me. Bro, I can't fucking... Can the fucking button work? Why does it do that? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna crash the fuck out. It's so fucking annoying. Alright. Right here, bro. I would love to see this 1 hour intermediate low get swept on this 10 a.m. open. I don't take 2 trades in a day, and we're not gonna get it. So, we got our piece of the pie, and we're done. Alright, once again, don't want to confuse myself, so let's just bring it back. Okay. 4 hour. We have this 4 hour gap. It doesn't really align with the 4 hour PO3, so I don't want to put that. I'll put that for the 4 hour gap. I just want a mental note of the 4 hour gap. This is looking pretty crispy though. Like this is, I'm liking this, bro. Fucking, the way this is looking pretty crispy. Nah, I sound like an actual prick. Sound like an actual prick. Mental note of the 4 hour gap. Wick, not necessary. Not PO3 4 hour gap. This is a 1 hour PO3. Okay, 1 hour. Right. Oh my god. Where does 10 a.m. open? It's not 10 a.m. It's 9 a.m. Okay. This is a 9 a.m. This is more of like the 9:30, but the PO3, the 9 aligns too. Okay. 15-minute gap. Oh yeah, I marked this out because I really liked this. Oh, and it was a 945 PO3. That's why I really fucking fucked with it. So we have like 3 different PO3s right now, bro. I'm gonna highlight this because this is like the specific manipulation right here. This is like a 1-to-1. Very nice trade. And I'm gonna include this just cause like look at this exit, bro. Peep the exit I'm putting. I don't care. Alright, let's not get a fucking ego now. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. How far are we in right now? We're about 45 minutes in, I think. How many days are we into the month? Did I start at this day? I think I started with this L. No, I feel like I'm moving like decently fast. I'm on like the 3rd week here. It's not bad. I go very slow though, so the journaling shit. I'm trying to learn. I'm trying to learn. We're back at all-time highs, bro. Wait, I'm so lost. Whoa, that's a fucking crazy bearish SMT. Whoa, whoa, that is fucking weird. Huh, that is super weird. Huh, 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 huh. Well, I want to say I mean bullish to all-time highs, but I don't know. I could see myself not taking a trade this day just because it's like confusing in my opinion. I don't like that like we made this daily bearish SMT at all-time highs and like I don't know. I'm just not really a big fan of it. What are these data lows? Yep. Hmm. Huh. Huh. This fucking leg has to be massive, bro. Like, bro. Like, is this when you take the 30-second? I'm not gonna take it. Oh, I kind of want to take it now. I didn't want to take it if this got taken out, but I kind of like I like that, like, we can get this quick trade. I just don't think I want to do that. You can get like this. I think this is honestly nice. Looking at it, 10 a.m. opens lower, taps this fair value gap. CE of the fair value gap, not to mention, I want to say to the tick, we have this break-even point right here, which would also be the 30-second internal high. We have this instant V-shaped flip, nice healthy close, good retrace. Bro. Yeah. I have to go break even there, though. Ugh, I don't like 30 seconds. Wow, it played out very nicely, but I would have got railed. I mean, you'd probably go like this. These are like riskier trades, so you'd probably set it like here. Something like that would have been the trade, but I don't know. It's just so counter trend. This is like more of like a, like, I don't know. It's not counter trend. Like, the higher time frame narrative is there, but like mid time frame, like, we're fucking dumping. We're in such a massive like I don't want to wait for all of this to get inversed. I could wait for some more structure. We're only at 10. We can get this 10. Like, if 10:30 right now could do something like good and not do that. This, wait, no, this is good. This is good. And you fucking do that. Like, why? Fuck you. Fuck you, man. Yeah, I don't really want to trade. I like this one. I don't want to spend too much time journaling a break even, but I do like this, so I'm just gonna bring it up real quick. Alright, I'm leaning bearish here. I'm kind of glad we're coming down. I feel like we're so overbought and like, it's just kind of getting annoying, like having to keep longing. Like, I feel like there's some reason for this, you know, like rejecting off this huge 4-hour gap. We're inversing this one. We're displacing past this low with speed, going to at least these lows inside of gaps. So, whenever this shit happens, though, like, watch this shit. I'm about to predict the future. Why? Because I don't fucking know. I'm the fucking market maker. Sure, we'll say that. Every time this shit happens, right? Because, you know, they won't make it easy for you. You know, it has to be hard. Where the fuck where is this low? Nice, bullish S&T. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. That's good. Okay. What's gonna happen here, right? Watch this shit. I'm gonna predict it. I guarantee you it's gonna happen. It's just gonna dump right off a market open to the draw. Wait, wait. Did I say it or no? Did I say it? Be honest. Like, did I say it or no? I mean, unless you want to take this fucking 5-minute gap and a 30-second inversion at fucking 9:35. I mean, I guess you could. It's not the worst. Like this, but I guess your break even would be here once we make this internal low, because if you go here, then you get stopped out. I don't know, bro. I literally predicted that shit, bro. Like, you're better off just fucking 9:30, just fucking short the market open. Like, I mean, I'm not doing that, but like, bro, it happens every time. Every time, like, it's like, all right, yep, that's the draw. It just fucking dumps you. It's so annoying, bro. It's so annoying. Okay. Hopes are here that. Do we have any news? Not really. Fed's barking. Who's that? Why is he barking? We have this. I'm not logging here. We have this. Fuck. 10 a.m. open. Just manipulate like a little. Like, can you just. Let's just see you come above there. Come on. We didn't really put in a top wick, bro. Like 10:45 open. Just swept out this. Tap this 5-minute gap. I don't know, bro. There's like nothing for me to take here. Like, cool, bro. Like, I guess it delivered. I don't know. No trade. Unfortunate day. When like the fucking DOL is so obvious too. I'm gonna remain bearish to these lows. I think they're crisp and nice. We're in this 4-hour gap. If we start just displacing through shit, then yeah, I mean, I'll look to. Ooh, what the fuck? Why are we doing that? I forget how this magnet shit works. That you have to like bring it to it. Ooh, some nice little equal highs. Come on. We're at 10 already? What? 10, come on. 10. Manipulate higher, come on. What the fuck are you doing? Oh my gosh, you're a fucking numbskull. Bro, that's like idiotic, bro. Oh my god, if you think I'm taking... Bro. There's no way we don't manipulate higher to those equal highs. Like, I'm sorry, but that is just so shit. That is so shit. Ooh, we can get a nice... Oh my god, wait, this could be nice. Next 4 hours gonna open. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Bro, am I like scaled in like too much, bro? Like, am I asking for fucking too much? Like, are my conditions like set too high on the world? Like, I'm not tripping, right? Like, that's what I want. Like, I want this 10 a.m. open to come and take out all these highs, tap this forward gap, and deliver to this low. Instead, I got a fucking 9, fucking gosh, why am I saying 9 like that? I got a 9:30 open that is there an SMT here, bro? Like, no, there isn't. I just leave relatively equal highs right here. Like, literally, like, edge the fucking highs of edge the highs, right? Tap a fucking gap. It's like, oh my god, wait, what am I taking here? And I guess like we sweep out this accumulation zone. Like, is this really good though? Like, I just don't feel like it is. I just really don't. Like, am I supposed to take that? I'm gonna have to go with no. I'm gonna have to go with no. Look at this fucking chop, bro. Yeah, no, there's no way I'm supposed to take that. Which is okay. Alright, now I'm kind of bullish. We filled in this whole gap. Normally always react up bullish off of something like that. I'm going to be bullish up to like here-ish. Maybe, yeah, oh my, now we're going for those fucking beautiful highs that I wanted before. You're such a loser. Guess what? Guess what market open's going to do? Oh, wait, this is good. Look at that. It didn't just fucking pump to them right away for once. Wait. Ooh. I mean, if you take volume imbalances, that's good for you. My gosh, it was so nice. It was such a nice 9:30 open. It was such a nice little fucking Judas swing, and then you just, you just had to do that. Wait a second. Wait, it gets better. Oh my god. Wait, this is actually kind of crazy. They just left equal highs up there. No, don't take them. Don't take them. Fuck! Really had a fucking beautiful setup right there for a second. We really fucking did. What is this, 9? Alright, wait, no. At least inverse the fair value gap. What? Oh my gosh, that's so shit. That's so shit. Why did I do that? I just don't know what I'm supposed to take a trade off of here, boys. I just don't know what I'm supposed to take a trade off of. I just don't know. Alright, daily. Reacting off this. 4 hour. In like a market maker buy model, kind of. Rejecting this 4 hour gap, kinda. We have this 1 hour. We're respecting this 1 hour gap. 9:30 opens lower. Doesn't take it out. Do we have an SMT maybe? Nope. This is gonna leave me bullish now. Okay. We have nice highs right here. We still don't have that 10 a.m. open. Here's that 10 a.m. open. We have a nice 15 and a 5 minute right there. Tapped. We have a nice flip right there. I'm gonna wait for the 2 minute. Nice. Pretty sure that's a 2 minute. 10:06. 10:06. Yeah, that should be the 2 minute. I'm gonna set my stop loss like right there. Fuck, this is risky. I feel like I'm gonna get edged. This is nice though. Been waiting for this. Nice. Okay. I held off of break even right there. I don't know if that was the right move. I got really close to being stopped out, but my idea, right? I normally just go break even at the wick of it, and it leads to a lot of break evens. But I really liked that I just waited fucking 2 weeks for a trade. Okay, that's not a good confidence, but no. What I really liked was that. Oh my god, 10 a.m. opens right where? It opens right here. Okay. Right here we have what? This like it's kind of an accumulation zone, but not really. I mean, it would be better if it was like going up like this and then like it's like stacked lows, but it's just this low, right? But what is it? A tiny 15-minute gap. What else is it? A 5-minute gap, right? What else? We swept out this 1-minute low, right? So like nice little low right here. Bro, come on. The fuck. We swept that out, right? And I really liked the 30-second inversion. I wanted to take like this originally. Like this is why like the 30 seconds can be better, because if you would have just gotten like right here and then your stop's at the body and then you just target this low hanging fruit, you're already done with the trade right there. Or you target this, like maybe break even there. Ooh, you would have got break even then if you did that, but or you wait for the fill. Nope, you still get break even. I mean, the low hanging fruit is really like this. And then like break even's like one of the gaps in my eyes. But okay, fuck the 30-second. We're not talking about that. What I liked was the 1 hour opened, right? Right? If we drag this out, might be a little bit hard to do that. So, looking at this, right? 1 hour opened. We got in right below that open, just barely. But we put in that bottom wick. Bottom wick was manipulating to this gap, manipulating to this 5-minute, sweeping this accumulation zone on the 1-minute. We had this nice 2-minute fill right here. Thankfully, I got in here. I didn't realize it wasn't done filling, but got in there. I mean, I think that's good, because I feel like sometimes when you're on the charts, like, you can see how 2 minutes gonna fill, you can enter a little bit early. I mean, you're supposed to, like, wait for the fill, but, like, bro, like, you gotta be discretionary with it sometimes. You can't always be a robot, because then you just miss, like, 18,000 entries. And then, I waited for the fill past this gap, assuming that this 1-minute fair value gap, because it was so big, I wanted to see this as a breakaway gap and not see it be returned to. I didn't like that it filled, but it sure enough did deliver us. That was my idea, protecting my stop. We also had this tiny little 1-minute gap, but once we come down here, you're kind of fucked. Once we got the fill, then I went break even, instant take profit after that. We probably go to all my draws, which is this right here. I would have held to like a 1.2 instead of a 1.1, it doesn't really fucking matter. It's like $50 more maybe. But yeah. What am I at? I'm at 11 and 5. This is low-key like this is like one of the better stats like I think I've like ever had. If I can keep this month green and like close out like 2 to 3 more greens, I can be like 13 and 5, which honestly like I've never done before. Like I'm really aligning price and time. And like if I could just keep it to a minimum of 2 L's a month, or even get it down to 1 L a month, like that's when like we're really gonna start to get into that good shit. But I mean, this is looking nice. We got 4% last month. We're probably gonna hit 4% again this month. That's what you want. Like that's like an ideal goal. It's like 2,000 a month. I think I'm gonna take a break right here. I don't want to like overwhelm myself. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna go to the gym. I definitely do want to journal this though. Um, Only reason I do really want to take a break is because it's fucking taking forever to get trades. Like, these markets are getting annoying to read, and I don't want to mulled into a stupid trade. Which sounds dumb, but, like, that's honestly my reason. And I want to go to the gym. I've been backtesting since, like, last night, yesterday, and, like, haven't done anything but backtesting, so... This is kind of my fucking life. It's like I'm playing a fucking video game of backtesting. Oh, man. Alright. I don't know why I'm going on my phone. That's not helping me. Just slam my shit. Alright. Let me just mark this up as best as I can. We'll go to the daily just so I can, like, see this, but, um... daily lick being tapped into, opening gap filled, no reason to go lower. Bullish. 4 hour bullish to these highs for a market maker buy model. It's not really a lot of fair value gaps that, like, you could really mark out, but, like, I guess we're inversing this. I don't want to confuse myself, but kinda inversing this 4 hour gap, overall trending higher. Put that there. Okay, oh my god. On the hour, we have, I don't really care about the hour. I cared more about the, no, I do care about the hour. Leave this 10 a.m. open. 10 a.m. open low, manipulates into a PD array. Bro! Fuck. Okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna go to the gym on that note. Yep, that's gonna be the live stream. I don't know if I'm gonna post this. This is kind of like for me. I mean, it's private right now. No, I probably will post it. I don't really care. Um, I'm not gonna like necessarily live stream it. Like, I am live streaming right now, but it's private. But like, I'll post them after, cause like, if I do start getting like subs or shit, I don't want to like read or like chat or anything. Like, be um like affected by it or like feel nervous or anything like that. Like, this is more for me. I'm trying to like learn as much as possible, and yeah. This is one of the better sessions I've had, like, win rate wise and shit. So I really hope I do keep it up. If I can get it like somewhere like if I can get it like somewhere like 15 and 7, 15 and 8, or no, like 15-6, 15-7, 20, like hitting 20 wins before 10 losses or something like that. Like, that'd be really nice. A lot of the other accounts are different. Like, or not accounts, like they're all like the same model. This one was going really good, and like I kind of like just mulled it. I mean, it's more of like a warm up. Like, I normally use this to like backtest right before entering markets, like kind of like a little practice. This was my worst month ever backtesting. I was trying 30-second inversions and something else, and I was constantly switching shit. I will come back this month, May 2023, and I will fuck it up because that shit ain't gonna like hold over me. These are kind of like, yeah, like I've had profitable months with the models and shit, but like I trade them very differently. Like as you can see right here, like 16 and 14, but the profit is so high. Like my RR is like really good on these ones, which is like so weird because like now that's not how I'm trading. And I'm like lowering the win rate. I mean, I'm lowering the RR, increasing the win rate, but like I was trading it like so differently. Like I was trading it with a little bit of a higher RR. It was working. But yeah, like right here, like you can see I'm literally negative, but like I'm up 5 grand on the account, which is kind of crazy. I mean, these losses at the end are crazy, bro. I mean, I was going on like like, oh my god, like look at this, bro. This is crazy. I mean, if like you're on a funded and I mean you're risking 250, you're never gonna lose the account in these scenarios. But like an eval right here, 2 in a row, you wouldn't lose it. 3 in a row, you wouldn't lose it. I mean, yeah, 2 in a row, you wouldn't lose it. Gain the 1500, lose it 3 in a row. Wait a second. This is 5 L's in a row. What a loss right there. Um, 3 L's in a row. Get a win. An L. And then I have this. I don't know. And like overall profit. I mean, if you're risking like the 250, then I'm chilling on all these because like risking like 250, you need to get like, what is it, like 8 losses in a row. Like you're chilling on these ones, but I don't know. I'm going for something different, so this doesn't even really apply to me anymore. But it's good to know like I'm profitable overall with the model. Like, and shit, but this is kind of what I'm gravitating towards now, is something like this. And I mean, we're slowly growing and we're just getting a really high win rate, which is so much easier on my psych and shit like that. Like, this is what you want to see right here, just like mostly green. To close this out with like 2 to 3 more winners would be a really nice month. So yeah, that was a backtesting session. Just trying to learn from it. If you learned something, if you are watching it, then that makes me happy. That's cool. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym. So yeah.